I'm still standing, it's only by grace. If I'm still breathing, it's only because He kept me. He held me, He carried me when I couldn't carry myself.